Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and as you can see, this is a bit of a special setup. Over here we've got a box, a big box. It's going to be an interesting unboxing, and you can see the setup. First of all, I would like to thank the Detailing Mafia Varanasi, who have been kind enough to lend us their studio for filming this. Our studio is not the size to shoot a real car. That is why thank you to the Detailing Mafia Varanasi for helping us shoot this. Then we come on to the unboxing. And this unboxing is going to be a little special because we have got over here a 18 scale car, and this 18 scale car is none other than the JIMNY itself. Also guys, I want to make it very clear right from the start that this video has also been possible because of the help that I have received from Future Toys. They have been very kind in helping me source this model. I will list down their link, and you can go check out their website, and they have got some excellent models, so you can definitely check them out. And as you can see, the packing and all has been good so far. Let's hope fingers are still crossed that the model is in good shape. Guys, so you can see that we are proceeding with the unboxing, and the packaging quality looks to be quite good. Excellent packaging, I must admit. They have packaged it quite properly because this is a proper scale model, a really big scale model. And as you can see, 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer, 4 layer, and finally you can see the name right here. This is the AUTOart Suzuki JIMNY, and this is the Sierra, the JIMNY Sierra. In case you do not know much about JIMNYs, I'm going to tell you a lot about them, because AUTOart, the thing about AUTOart is that it makes its cars in a very detailed manner. So guys, as you can see right here, this is the AUTOart Suzuki JIMNY, and you can see the name right here. It says JIMNY Sierra JB74. So in case you do not know that this JIMNY, this generation of the JIMNY, the chassis code is JB74, and there is no photo on the box because AUTOart generally doesn't give photos on the box. And this is a foam box, and it's quite light actually if you feel it, because this is a composite model. This is not a metal model, and I'll explain the difference later. Now we quickly get down to the unboxing. You need to be extremely careful with that, and you just need to be very careful. So for what I'm going to do is, I'm going to place it on the hood like this. I'm going to quickly slide it down like this, and as you can see over here also it is taped and everything. There is tape on it. So the easiest way to slice these open is that you just slice it open, because it's not always possible to rip the tape apart. Now that they have sliced it, as you can see, this is the 118 scale, same to same car. This is the JIMNY, and if I show you the front, you can see the front right here. Let me just clean up the clutter for you. So the first thing which I want to show you guys is that the front detailing is absolutely spot on. If you match the color, it is exactly kinetic yellow, the way it should be, 100% identical. We come on to the side. Now the side only has 3 doors because this is the international model, which is the 3-door model. My car is the 5-door model because it is the new one which has been launched in India, and it will be coming to Australia and a couple of other markets. Then we come here. This is the rear, and I'll show you from the rear. The rear is identical. All the parts are opening, as you can see right here. This opens just in the same manner. So it opens in the same manner, and everything is 99% similar. The wheels, you can see, if you can see the wheels right there, the wheels are also similar. The hood is, the roof is also this black color, the bluish black color, what Suzuki calls. So this is an identical model, and this is it guys. This is from the unboxing. This is what the unboxing consisted of. Later we are going to do a full review of this model, see what all functions it has, lots of opening parts, lots of interesting things. So that's about it. Let me know what did you think about it. Cheers and thanks for watching. And what did you think about this AUTOart JIMNY 118 scale? Thank you.